Yes, you're welcome back. We are going to continue from where we stopped. We're going to look at how you can how you can make a button invisible. Like when you click on a button, the button disappears. Okay, so that's what we want to do now. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to just create a button in HTML. Then when you click on that button, the button will show a text, and when the text appears, the button will disappear. Okay, this is important when probably you don't want someone to click on that button again. You just want the person to click on it once. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do quickly. I am going to actually create, let me comment out these all these text so that only the button will remain here. Let me comment all the other input. Listen, let me comment it out. Okay, yeah, then I'll come down here, close the comment. Yeah, this button and the form is remaining. So I'm now going to save. When I save, I go to scripts. Here I'm going to use a function on submit function. I'm going to place a submit function in this button. Okay, so that let me change this submit function here. Instead of putting it on the button, let me leave it on the form. Okay, validate input. Let me see what we have here. Validate input. Okay, let me change the function to another function. Instead of validate input, let me use another function there. Let's say display text function. Okay, let's say display text, display underscore text. Okay, good, because we want a situation whereby when we click on the form, on the button, it will display text and hide itself. Okay, now having done that, we save, go to JavaScript. I'm going to create a display text function. Now I say function, let me give you more space. Function display underscore text function. Okay, then you come down. It's just going to perform a simple task. Document.write. Then let me put the text there. This is let me just say congratulations. You are successful. Anything at all. Okay, anything at all. Okay, now you close it with a parenthesis with semicolon. Having done that, I will save. Think that's okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to get the button. I have to go back to here to check the button, to put ID to the button. There's no ID, so I put ID equals to let's say ID equals to button. Let's just say equals to let me just say submit again. Anything at all, submit. Now submit underscore button, and anything, just put anything at all. Okay, anything can work. It's even better when it is a single text. But you know why I sometimes put double text or even more than, so that it will make more meaning. Sometimes when you put a single text, if it doesn't make much meaning, if someone else is reading your code, person may find it a bit difficult. Do you understand? So that's why sometimes you need to make some of your variable make it to be a little bit, to be exponentially, okay, to reflect to some extent what the function it is performing. in case if you're not the person reading the code, or in case, when you leave the code for some time, maybe for like, let's say 6 months, 1 year, if you come back to it, if all these things are not well stated out, if you didn't use the explanatory variables for your coding, you may find it difficult to actually work out what you did. Okay, so having done that, we save. We'll go back now. So submit button, that's what we are going to use right now. We're going to use we are going to get the submit button by using document dot get element by id. Element by id, good. Get elements by id, okay, that's good. Then inside it, then we'll put submit button, submit underscore button, okay. Then we'll close. We come here now. We'll put we want to make the button to be invisible. We have to say style visible, style dot visibility equals to, then put hidden because you want to hide it. That is it. Then you save. So what this will do for you right now is once you click on the button, it will first of all send this and then hide the button. Let's see what happened. Let's see how it goes. And we'll go back to HTML page and we'll run it in Chrome. Now this is the button right now. When I click on it, do you see what happened? The text will appear, but the button will disappear. So that is how to hide a function, a button. Thank you so much.